Good morning, students. Today we are going with the numericals of motion of class 9. Now let's see. We are having in the board three most important numericals that used to come in different year in the examination of class 9. See here. We are having first question. We will solve the first question. How to solve the first question? On a 120-kilometer track, a train travels the first 30. Means question is that there is a track of 120 kilometer. There is a track of 120 kilometer. In that track, first 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of means this first, suppose that this kilometer is 30 kilometer. So we can say distance 1 is 30 kilometer traveled with a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. It is 30 kilometer per hour. We can say V1 is 30 kilometer per hour. Now D is there, V is there. What will be T1? So distance, speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. That is 30 by 30. We are having 1 hour. Okay. Now after that, what told? Calculate the speed with which the train should move rest of the track. What is the rest of the track? Rest of the track is 90 kilometer. Here we have to find the V. So in second case, what is given here? In second case, the data is given that distance to, we are having 120 minus 30, that is 90 kilometer. Okay. Velocity to we don't have. Suppose that it is x. So what will be T2? T2 will be distance d2 upon v2, that is 90 upon x hour. Now we know that average speed is 60 km per hour. So we will use the formula for average speed. We know that it is given 60 km per hour. For average speed, what we have to do? For average speed, we know that average speed means total distance upon total time taken. This we know that it is 60 kilometer. Total distance is what? 120. Total distance is 120. 120. Total distance is 120 divided by, what is the total time? Total time T1 plus T2. Total time T1 plus T2, that is 1 plus 90 upon x. When you will solve this, it will come 60. Take the LCM, it will come up 120x. Here we will get an x plus 90. Here we will get 60. So we can cancel 60 multiplied by 2. So now what we are having? We are having 2x divided by x plus 90 is equal to 1. 2x will be x plus 90. This will come this side. X, we will get 90 kilometer per hour. That means the person have to travel with 90 kilometer per hour for next 90 kilometer, so that the average speed will be 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the question 1. Now let us solve second question. Second one. A boy run for 10 minutes at a uniform speed of 9 km per hour. At which speed he should run the next 20 minutes so that the average? Means we don't know the distance. Here, distance is not given, but it is given that a boy run for 10 minutes. We know that T1 is 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 10 by 60. that will be 1 by 6r. At a uniform speed of 9 km per hour, V1 is also given 9 km per hour. So what will be D1? Distance 1. Speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to V1 T1. V1 9, T1 1 by 6, 3 2, 3. So we can say D1 is 3 by 2 kilometer. First D1 we have got. Now what is given? At what speed should he run the next 20 minutes? Speed we don't know. Next 20 minutes speed we don't know, but time we are having 20 minutes. Same thing you have to do, 20 upon 60, then we will get 1 by 3 hour. So that the average speed comes to this, and this we time is given, and what speed should he run the next 20 minutes? Speed we don't know. Here V2 we don't know. Let V2 will be x. We are thinking that V2 is x. Now what will be D2? D2 is equal to V2 multiplied by T2. So V2 x multiplied by this, we will get x by 3. This density, so kilometer. Now same formula you will use average velocity, average speed. Average speed is given 12. Average speed, same formula, total distance upon total time. What is the total distance? What is the total distance here? You will see that total distance is D1 plus D2. D1 is 3 by 2 kilometer plus D2, it is x by 3 kilometer. By total time, T1 plus T2. T1 is 1 by 6 and T2 is 1 by 3. Overall, we will get 12. Now, solve it. How to solve it? You know how to solve it. And after solving, when you will solve this equation, after how to solve it? Take the LCM of 2 and 3. It will come 6. Okay. Then, if it will come 6, then 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 multiplied by this, 2x. And in the down, again take LCM, 3 and 6, 6. It will be 1, it will be 2. 6, 6 will be cancelled. Here we will get 12. Now, 6, 6 cancelled. What do we have got? 2x plus 9. We have 2x plus 9. Here we are having 2x plus 9 divided by 3. Divided by 3 is equal to 12. So we will get 2x plus 9 is equal to 36. 2x is equal to 36 minus 9. 25. 36 minus 27. 27. X will be 13.5. X will be 13.5. What is X? V2. So we can say that V2 is 13.5 kilometer per hour. This is the solution for second. Now, third question. Now, let us solve third question. What is third question? Obtain a relation for the distance traveled by an object in 4th and 5th second. For suppose that we are taking 4th second, T1 4th second. For 4th second, what will be the S1? For 4th second, what will be the S1? S1 formula, we know that it is ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. So what will be ut plus? Ut means u, time will be 4. Time will be 4. So 4u plus half a time whole square. So what we will get S1? We will get 4u plus 4 square 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. So we will get 8. Again 4 square 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. It is equation 1. Now for second, for T2 that is 5 seconds. T2 that is 5 seconds. What S2 we will get? 5 seconds. 5 multiplied by U. 5U plus half A multiplied by 5 square. So what we will get? 5U plus 25. 5 square 25. So we will write 25 by 2A. It is equation 2. Now we have to obtain the relationship between 4th second and 5th second. So you can write S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. That is equation 2 minus equation 1. What we will get here? S2 minus S1. This side S2 minus S1. 5U minus 4U. Or you can write one time 5U plus 25 by 2A minus 4U minus 8A. Okay. 5U minus 4U, only U. 5U minus 4U, only U. And this one A we can take common. So we can write 25 by 2 minus 8. So U plus 25 minus 16 by 2. That will be U plus 25 minus 16, 9 by 2A. So this is the relationship between distance traveled in 4th and 5th second. This is sufficient for today. Just like this, you are going to get the numericals in your examination. So you have to practice more and more numericals. One more period, one more video I will publish regarding the more 3 numerical questions that will help you for your examination. After that, we are going to start our next chapter, that is force and law of motion. So be with us, subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed. Stay at home, we and faculty members are with you. And now some assignment time.